Will GoBoard Pro Sealant cause any damage to my acrylic tub, like pitting or staining? No. Carve or router a notch in the back of GoBoard to accommodate a bathtub flange? The answer is yes. Because the entire board is inherently waterproof, you can carve out that notch to accommodate the flange on the bathtub as long as there's no all the way through penetrations. GoBoard Pro Sealant adhere to a fiberglass tub surround? The answer is yes. GoBoard Pro Sealant is also an adhesive, so it would adhere to a multitude of different materials: plastic, wood, your socks, your jeans, your hair, your watch band, anything you can name, including your golden retriever. So what is the reason for that 1/8 inch gap? Because GoBoard Pro Sealant is permanently elastic, the 1/8 inch gap allows for enough sealant to be between both boards to allow for expansion and contraction. If you butt those two boards up right next to each other, there's going to be no room for the sealant, which is also then going to eliminate your waterproofing as well.